And the markets in the day mixed. This is D7 here at Grok Trade, and it is Wednesday, Hump Day, October 19th, 2016. And everybody in bullish territory, but the NASDAQ in bearish territory. US dollar was down a fraction too. However, the banks were up 1.3%. Nice pop there. And crude oil up nearly 2%. Nice pop there on crude oil. Silver, gold higher. Here we are. Looking at the markets. This is the Russells. Let me get to the spiders. Higher high, higher low. But again, we paused here at this level. You can see support right here. Do you see that? Support coming across. Act as resistance here. Resistance yesterday. Resistance yet again today. By no means do I think that this is overly bullish. And it looks like Grok Girl just walked in. Hello, Grok Girl. I'm doing my video.
Hello, everyone.
And speaking of that, we have been busier than one-arm paper hangers. Doing phone calls. Hey, I know I owe a bunch of people emails right now. Bear with me. I might even skip my racquetball league tonight just to get to all the emails coming through. Our mentorship is all but filled. Probably room for, what is it, maybe two more seats. So you guys, Scott, welcome aboard. Dr. Evelyn, welcome aboard. Chris, welcome aboard. There's a bunch of names. There's a bunch of people I don't even know. Brenda, you come back for a retake. Oh, it'd be great to have you. Raphael, retake. Jamie, retake. Awesome. So, I don't know. I don't have Carolina's list or mine or Keisha's right in front of me. But anyway, we have a nice group this weekend. It's this Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's 3 full days. And then lifelong mentoring after that. You can fill out the form if you want to at Grok Trade, or you can just email me directly. If you go to Trading Mentor, you can fill out the form. That goes to me this way, or you can just email me at des at groktrade.com and say, man, I want to take one of those two spots. And we can make that happen. Oh, and to be quite frank, and let me throw this out there. As far as value is concerned, no one can beat us, period. When it comes to mentoring in this high level of trading education, there's no better value. No other company out there can touch us. They can't do it. Matter of fact, the company I used to work for wanted to buy my company. Why? Because we were doing something that they could not do. So we feel very, very good about that. And that was my shameless plug. And anyway, look at this. So we have kind of a falling wedge. If you look at the two red lines, kind of a falling wedge. But then we drop here and we go into what's called a bear flag. But if you remember right, I said this blue line, as long as we stay on the lower side of this, you cannot get bullish in this market in the remote slightest. Diamond, same way, still within this triangle. I did add another line here from here to there coming across. We got near resistance, come back down. And the NASDAQ actually lost grounds today. And we are in a rising wedge, so that's starting to look a little bearish to me. Small caps went up, tested resistance, but I said as long as it's on the south side of this blue line, I'm expecting down movement. That's what I'm expecting. Banks, though, did something very, very impressive. So I called it a sell here. So now I have to come over and put a buy now. So I have banks as a buy. That means the rest of the markets, that should be a nice help for the bulls in the market. But I think it's going to be short-lived. We have a little bit of room here before we hit resistance, but you cannot discount the quantitative easing. And when you have zero interest rates or near zero, it's just hard to sell against that. It just really is. Financials. Now, this is an important chart, financials. This is ETF on financials. See the symmetrical triangle? symmetrical triangle. So watch this. Let me go back. So support, look at this as the floor. The floor, we hit the ceiling. Then we come down here, hit the floor. We tag the floor again. Then we come up, hit the ceiling. We hit the floor. We hit the ceiling. We hit the ceiling today. We tried to break over it and then came right back down. This would be a sell opportunity. This looks like more of a sell than a bull run. But however, the banks did very well. So this could break out to the upside. If so, the markets could get bullish. I still have a buy or a sell on this one because we're still within the confines of this apex of the triangle. And crude oil, I said expect that to go higher. Remember that? And today we almost broke out. Boom! Tried to break out and came back down. So let's see what happens here. There's no way I'm putting a buy signal in here because we're at resistance. So I will if it breaks out, but I am expecting that. Gold has popped up here. I'm expecting now. This is no longer a falling, or I'm sorry, a low base. This has popped up. So you have like a bear pullback, or this could turn into a cup and handle. Do you see the cup? Give us a little handle here. They give us basically a double bottom trend reversal pattern pop to the upside. So this is on gold. That would be very good to see. Here, I'm expecting silver to break out to the upside. We're at resistance. We stalled there. Let's see what happens. It'd be very interesting to see what tomorrow brings for us. So there you have it. So again, guys, I owe you a bunch of emails. I just know that I will respond, and we are getting through these phone calls as fast as we can. So anyway, first come, first serve for the next 2 seats, and they will fill probably by noon tomorrow, I'm assuming, Eastern Standard Time. So anyway, first on the list, we'll get our attention the quickest. Catch you later. Bye.